Hi, and thank you for signing up for this course. Carlotta is a professional illustrator and she'll be your teacher in the upcoming lessons. My name's Jared and I'll be voicing her. It's really important that you understand just how many opportunities working with vectors can give us in our day-to-day in graphic production. Like, for example, in the illustrator's work. Don't worry if you feel like you don't know anything about the use of digital tools. We can start from scratch wherever we need to. If you do have some experience with this program, you also shouldn't worry, because this course is designed to allow you to apply what you already know to different illustration styles. In the first part of the course, we're going to take a look at how Illustrator works and what my methodology is. After, we'll go over the different illustration styles and we'll start to create our own color palette. We'll adapt the artboard, and finally, we'll develop 3 projects with which we won't just learn or reinforce our knowledge on this program, but we'll also broaden our portfolio, showing how we're capable of creating in different artistic registers. You are welcome to express any doubts or concerns you may have to me through the forum, where you can also show me the projects you are working on. At the end of the course, you can share your projects with me and all of the rest of TubePad in the project section. If you want to know more about Carlotta, check out her social media accounts that you can see in her TubePad profile. Shall we begin?